I'm Leonard Lim, and in this video, I would want to talk to you about the sustainable biochar reactor known as S-BioChaR. People living in the rural areas have been self-reliant in resourcing their water supply and managing their waste, as these areas are typically beyond the coverage of the utility and municipal councils. With their limited financial and technical resources, mostly have been surviving on untreated water supply and resort to open burning of agriculture and biomass waste for over half a century. Furthermore, some soil is not conducive for farming, limiting the crop productivity and easily eroded. Therefore, there is a need for a rapid yet economical solution to alleviate their challenges. Limited accessibility increases the financial burden for rural folks to commute to town to purchase their needs, let alone a commercial carbon filter. They would not know what to do with the spent carbon filter and just dispose them, making it not sustainable. One solution is to enable rural folks to convert biomass waste into biochar as alternative carbon filter material. This is where S-BioChaR is born. S-BioChaR is a natural draft reactor which is designed for producing good quality biochar consistently while achieving smokeless emission. The scale requires only simple operation and maintenance by an adult. Just load the reactor with dried biomass waste, burn, and go. S-BioChaR is suitable for facilitating sustainable waste management in rural villages and small farms, converting biomass waste into value product for agriculture while reducing waste volume. The application of biochar into soil can retain the moisture and nutrient, thus reducing the cost and effort to apply nutrient and pesticides in farms and risk of groundwater pollution without compromising the crop production and quality. S-BioChaR has empowered rural community to treat their water supply, manage their biomass waste and sustainably, and improve the crop productivity. The next step is to reach out to other rural communities and small farms via the respective local municipal councils and the Department of Agriculture. This is a timely move to promote sustainable local food production amidst the rising global food production crisis. We are at the stage of promoting S-BioChaR and looking for industrial partner to collaborate on improving the design for commercial production of S-BioChaR. Because the target consumer has limited financial affordability, the market strategy is to collaborate with government agencies via programs to promote the application of S-BioChaR among some rural villages to facilitate the local food production and economy. With their revenue, they will afford to buy subsequent units on their own. S-BioChaR has been applied to address water supply and waste management issues in Long Lamai, funded through the University Community Transformation Center. And currently, we are in discussion with a local municipal council to address waste management issue in villages beyond their waste collection area. We have claimed copyright and filed patent for S-BioChaR in November 2021. Here's a video showing the performance of S-BioChaR prototype, followed by a testimony by a Long Lamai village chief. So as you can see here, there's initially there's a bit of smoke, but then it's just the initial stage, and after that, there's less and less smoke for the next 4 to 6 hours. So you can see that all this biomass waste is burned to ash, about 95% volume reduction of waste. So this is the biochar that's been produced.
Alam retak itu aku barajian keningan kelunan puunjin UNIMAS kena kepe barira tentera lepas mana jah kerja kuat ngan kelunan pun lem lebo itu uban kena na lem dau-dau mareng ataupun masa-masa mareng aku kalau kerja itu tio-tio senuai pun lem lebo itu doko kerja itu mena pengemareng ataupun pengepaleu pun lem lebo itu omong mehin lebo itu maju lem jah tahap ataupun jah likap pisau jin retak buun.
Okay, S-BioChaR is currently at the stage of having a finalized design and looking for an industrial partner to collaborate on developing interlocking modules to simplify the installation process and enable the commercial production of S-BioChaR. At the same time, we intend to collaborate with local authorities to discuss about a sustainable development program for clean water supply and commercialization of local agriculture in rural areas. Thanks for watching this video, and here's my contact details if you would like to know more about S-BioChaR.